In this video, I'm going to talk about Solution Checker. Solution Checker is one of the features within the managed environment. Solution Checker basically enforces the rich static analysis validation during solution imports. It identifies the critical, high, and medium severity issues during import of a solution. So, what does this feature do? Is basically if you configure it correctly, then it will allow you to view the issues within your solution. So this is only applicable when you import a solution into an environment. So, uh, so basically, what is the setting is you need to go into solution checker enforcement settings, and there are three options. One is none, second is one, and third is block. Now, when you put it on one, what does this mean? It's like it will run a solution checker post import, okay, but it won't prevent you from importing those solution, okay, if a major issue exists. Okay, so irrespective of any number of critical, high, and medium severity issues, it will still import the solution. However, if you select the block as a setting, then if the solution has a critical issue identified, then that particular solution import will fail. So one is kind of like a audit based approach whereby you will get the stats, but still the solution will get imported. Block will technically block this solution from getting imported. So this is mainly good kind of a security feature or maybe stability feature whereby your environment is protected with a malicious solution being imported into your environment. Now, what happens technically is you will receive an email, and that email will have a summary of the information. So if you see this email, it says the solution, the name of the solution is solution checked for issues during import into the specific environment. And once that solution check is completed, it will give you a nice summary, which has a list of critical severity, high severity, and medium severity issues, and then you can view the result in a in a screen basically. Now let me show you in a demo. So I'm in make.powerapps.com, and under solutions, uh, I'm in the environment which is a managed environment. Now, this is only applicable for managed environment. So, if it's a managed environment, then if I try importing a solution, which I already did, yesterday. So, if you see this solution, then it will start running a solution checker in the backend. Okay, now, what happens when the solution checker is checked? It will send you out an email. Okay, so if you see this email, which was sent to me, it says the Power Apps check on your environment where demo solution is complete. No issues have been identified, and you can view the result over here. And I received that email as well. And same, I received an email for other solution which I've imported in this solution as well. Okay, now, if there is an issue, okay, then it will give you a summarized information about what all things have failed. Okay, now if I click on, say, let's assume if I click on the email and I click on view result, then it will take you to that solution for that specific environment, and then it will give you a summarized information of what all things have been identified for that particular solution. So let me go into that solution now. Okay, and if I go into the overview tab, uh, under here you'll see solution status overview. So this is solution checker completed, and you can view the complete result over here. Now this solution checker does not have any issues identified. So there is critical zero, high zero, medium zero, and low zero. And if you want to see the detailed result, you can go into see all result. Now there is nothing to show over here as we do not find any issues. Uh, and you can run the solution checker again over here as well. Okay, so this is basically a preventative approach whereby you get a notification if there is a solution import issue due to some critical high severity issues identified within your solution. Now, again, I told you how you need to configure is you need to go into the environment. So if I go into this environment and click on manage environment, then if you scroll down over here, you see the section called as solution checker enforcement. Now here you can set the settings to none, warn, or block. None means nothing will happen. Warn means at least you will get a notification, but the solution input process will continue if even if the major issue has been identified. If you put it as block, then all your solution issues will fail. Solution input process will fail if any high impact bugs have been identified for that specific solution. Okay. And there is an option which says send emails only when a solution is blocked. Okay, if unchecked, you will also get emails when there are warnings. So now I have unchecked it, and that's why I was receiving all the email for solution input. But if you want specifically if the solution is blocked, then only receive an email, then you can turn the setting on. Okay. And there are other excluded rule which you can put for solution checker to exclude from those enforcement. So that's it, folks. This is all about putting a solution check before you import that solution within your environment. And that's a feature of the managed environment within Microsoft Power Platform. Thanks for watching.